Is your watch face frozen, skipping, or showing the wrong time? Depending on the model of your digital or analog watch, you might be able to handle a watch battery replacement yourself. Here's what you'll need to open the case back and swap in a new battery. A flathead screwdriver for snap or cap watch backs, a coin for coin-base backs, tongs or chopsticks for screwed down case backs, and plastic tweezers to safely handle the old battery and your replacement battery. If you want something more precise, use a watch case opening tool, case wrench, or even a JAXA wrench. A magnifying glass can also help. Before you start, check your watch case back. Some snap open with a small notch, others have multiple grooves for a tool, and some use a coin slot to twist open the case back. Once the case back is open, locate the battery compartment. Carefully remove the old battery using plastic tweezers. Watch for a rubber gasket. You'll want to keep that in place for water resistance. Now install your new battery, making sure it's aligned correctly. Secure everything. Close the case back and ensure the watch is ticking. You can shop Silver Oxide, alkaline, or lithium watch replacement batteries from an Interstate all-battery center to start your watch battery replacement at home. If you'd rather skip the hassle, stop by one of our locations and our expert staff can handle the watch battery replacement for you.